Sorry. You're good. Oh, wait. No, I can't. Sorry, ma'am.
All ahead 1/3.
All ahead 1/3.
Stand by to dive.
Diving stations.
Pressure in the boat.
Rescue readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
Flooding main tanks.
Let's take it down. Dive. Take it down easy.
Trimming bow diving planes. 3 degrees down.
Catch her at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder 30 degrees.
All ahead full. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish.
Yes, fish.
Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost sea.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries, we'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off and hold 80 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye,
The
sir.
fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you?
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. I'm aboard explorers. It's time
What if
to
Nemo's running on the sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open all the way.
Where? Yes, dude. You'll be like, whoa, and whoa. Let's go. Follow me to the EAC.
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady, take her into the current. All ahead standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin. I am looking for my son.
I can help. Oh, no.
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know where. That's why I'm trying to find him.
Find who?
My son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We've been on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?
Don't worry, I'm not going to eat you, at least not all at once.
Come on, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You would want one of these balloons.
Secure all stations. System check.
Steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full. Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory? Dory?
Wait.
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer.
Something touched me.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like light.
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something kind of balloon.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing.
Stop playing games.
Come on, it's fun.
No, Dory. Invited to a party. Let's go.
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo. Nemo, I found you. I was so worried.
Hey, if you guys notice the arrival volcano.
We survived a volcano, Nemo. Nemo, say something.
We're doing it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Hey, Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! The volcano!
Oh, give me some fed. Noggin.
Dude! This is a whale eating a krill! Why's that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale! Zenny Clinton's never gonna believe this!
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Goodbye!
We're the whale!
Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? Swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey.
Shall I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid. leaving our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
Thanks for the 200.